I'm Ashley Beamer.
Did you know that this lake didn't used to be here?
Really? What did it used to be?
It used to belong to a bunch of farmers.
So that guy that lives across the street from me, he used to live here?
Yeah, I know, and it kind of sucks. He even showed me some pictures of the land before they made him have to sell it.
Really? Wow, that's kind of sad.
Come on, I want to show you.
Do you ever feel like breaking down? Do you ever feel out of place?
No.
Hey, look, did you notice what's down there? Yeah, it's a tractor tire. I know, and not only that, look at all the trees that were left behind when the river was flooded. That's just awful. I know, think of all the things they could do with all that natural resources.
Like making houses for like after Hurricane Katrina, or sending textbooks to schools that need them.
I know, come on.
No, you don't know what it's like when nothing feels alright. You don't know what it's like to be like me. To be hurt, to feel lost, to be left out in the dark. To be king when you're down, to feel like you've been pushed around. To be on the edge of breaking down, but no one's there to save you. No, you don't know what it's like. Welcome to my life.
Wow, where are we? There's mud everywhere. That house looks like it's falling apart. This is a Danbrook farm. But guess what? You haven't seen nothing yet. Come on.
Nobody died, and I'm singing, amen, I'm alive, amen.
Look at all this land that the cows were forced to feed off of after the government took the land from the Danbrook. That's awful. I don't want to live on that if I was a cow. I know, but hey, come on, let's go over here.
Do you ever feel like breaking down? Do you ever feel out of place? Like somehow you just don't belong and no one understands you? Do you ever want to run away? Do you lock yourself in your room?
See this grain? It has lots of nutrients in it.
Why'd you bring me out here?
Because, you see, this is the main reason why. Most farmers use this one parasite called lindane in their grain.
What is that?
It's this parasite that helps the grain grow faster and prevents lice.
How is that going to affect me? I thought lice was a good thing to get rid of it.
But then the cows eat the grain.
So?
It affects their milk and their meat, and you do drink that and eat that, don't you?
Yeah, but I thought getting rid of lice was a good thing.
That's the only good thing the grain does. It also causes cancer and gives you seizures and messes with your nervous system.
So I'll be becoming a twitchy person if I keep eating it?
Pretty much. It's also found in some shampoos and stunts your hair growth.
I'm gonna go bald?
Pretty much.
Shut up, don't wanna hear it. Get up of my way. Step up, you'll never stop me. Nothing you say today is gonna bring me down.
So how can we prevent this?
Well, there's this group called Act Now where you can write a letter to the legislature to make lindane illegal. It's already banned in the states of Michigan and California.
I hope they banned it real soon in Missouri.